Gabby.
Okay, Gavin is going to have his first bite of cereals, rice cereals. How's it going?
He likes it. I think he likes it. Let's turn that around so you get the food. Wowzers. Okay, buddy.
Do you want more?
Can I take the spoon back, buddy?
That looks delicious. If you want more, you need to give the spoon back to Daddy.
Have the spoon back? The little bit that's going down. Jesus. Okay, I think he likes it. Okay, I need the spoon back, buddy. The spoon has to come out of your mouth. Well, whatever he's not wearing may have went in. No. That's fine. No. Put your hands down.
Good job. Yes, you like it?
Not sure what's getting in there.
Whatever he got. He's jumping on it.
Good? Are you swallowing it? Good?
Yeah, his little tongue has to get used to pushing it in and not pushing it out.
Oh, you finish what you got.
Well, Chica wants to go in there. Chichi, this is for Gavin.
Buddy, okay.
He wants more, huh? Like if his hand's gonna go in there.
His hand's taking most of it.
Do we have an impatient little boy?
There we go. Eat it all. Eat it all. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
And Chica's licking off the leftovers.
Alright, buddy. Good job.
That teaspoon is going a long way.
Seriously.
Let's see what's left of the teaspoon. Still a lot left.
Okay, not too big, buddy. Not too big.
Chica, why don't we give you a treat, huh? Come here. We'll take a little break of this. Good girl. And we're back. Making a big mess.
There you go, buddy.
It's very funny. Mommy told it. Santa. Wow. You are so good. You're adorable, Mom.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Nope. Nope.
Want more? You want some more? Look here.
Gabby. You done?
This is a good boy. Yay! You did a good job, baby.